In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Google Sheets. AI productivity super weapon. We're going to take Google Sheets to the next level by installing a helpful add-on, connecting your OpenAI API key, and then using simple formulas to generate and transform text right inside your spreadsheet. By the end, you'll be able to summarize, translate, create captions, clean up messy entries, and even categorize responses without leaving Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and loading a sheet you want to work in. At the top, click Extensions, then Add-ons, and choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can search for the tools we need. In the search bar, type ChatGPT for Sheets and also try GPT for Sheets and Docs. Choose the one that fits your needs and click Install. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow the permissions so the add-on can run in your spreadsheet. Next, connect your OpenAI API key. You'll need an active OpenAI account and your API key ready. Open the add-on settings. From the extensions menu, look for the place to add your key, paste it in, and save. Keep your key private and treat it like a password. You can always rotate or revoke it later in your OpenAI account if needed. Once saved, the add-on is ready to power your formulas. Now let's use AI in a cell. Click into an empty cell and type a simple formula like GPT, write a product description for a wireless headset. Press enter, and in a moment, the cell will fill with a polished description you can edit or copy elsewhere. Notice how the prompt is wrapped in quotation marks. That's where you tell the AI exactly what you want. You can also reference a prompt stored in another cell. For example, if your request or sample text is in A2, type GPT A2. This is great for working with longer text or when you want to apply the same operation down a column. Just keep your instructions clear and specific for best results. From here, the possibilities open up. Ask it to summarize long paragraphs into concise bullet-free notes, translate short product blurbs into another language, suggest catchy captions for social posts, clean up inconsistent capitalization or spacing in entries, or assign categories to responses based on rules you describe. If something looks off, refine your wording and try again. Small prompt tweaks can make a big difference. That's all you need to get started. Install the add-on, connect your key, and begin experimenting with the GPT formula to supercharge your work.